Carré au 29 degrés Celsius avec un ciel ensoleillé. Merci, bien, au revoir.
Mexico. We're here in Mexico. Para ako nasa Pilipinas! Yes! Para ako nasa Pilipinas! Sa wakas! The weather, I love the weather.
Oh,
What the heck? It's been a while.
oh, it's not bad.
What's that air mic? Yeah, guys. Parang nasa Pilipinas rin lang tayo rito, no? Sa Mexico. I miss the weather actually. Or like, yeah, the feelings, yung ambience is parang nasa Pilipinas, no? So, medyo mainit pero hindi ganun kainit, no? Yeah. And parang yung tsura nito parang ako nasa Cebu. So, I like it. Okay?
Guys, so we're waiting for our service vehicle to bring us to our hotel. I think they said the travel time is about 45 minutes. One thing I observed the difference dyan sa Pilipinas, the difference between the Philippines and here, you need to wait for that long, 45 minutes. Samantalang sa Pilipinas, kahit nasa Palawan ka or nasan ka man, sa airport, mas mabilis. So pagdating mo ron, nandun na agad yung sundo mo, naghihintay, no? So dito, you need to wait 45 minutes, no? Ano yun, service ng hotel. But it's okay. Yeah, syempre iba-iba naman. But one thing is maganda rito, yung ambience, the humidity, para kang nasa Pilipinas. Feels like Cebu, guys. Look. Feels like Cebu. Ito mismo pinaglalagyan namin na itong Cancun Airport. Feels like Cebu.
Aliyah, are you happy now and excited?
Yeah,
Where are we going?
to find our hotel.
To
To find our hotel.
find our hotel. All right.
Chicken wing. I'll go back. Oh, Mom, look, that's where we won. Mama, that's where we won. Daddy. Zootopia, that's the one. Hi, Zootopia. Hey, what? Hey, what?
So guys, nandito na kami sa hotel. So mamaya papasyal ko kayo kung anong itsura ng aming hotel. Wow. Tequila? Cheers. Dami alcohol.
I have drink, passion fruit, eat margarita.
Very nice.
Oh,
Gracias.
oh, that's nice. Wow. Sarap, guys. Yari ka mamaya sa akin. That's nice. It's good. $11.21, $11.22. So this is my room. Let's check. Tingnan natin ang itsura ng kwarto, ha. Guys, ha. 11.22. Okay. So ito ang view ko. Oh. So let's see. Oops. Let's check the toilet. Siyempre, ano muna tayo? Tour. Okay. So, this is the washroom. Okay. Okay, ah. So, nice ang room. At meron akong view rito sa terrace. Ang view sa terrace. Yan ang terrace. Hindi ko alam paano buksan to, ito. Okay. So, yan. Okay, yun yung dagat, oh. Nandun yung dagat, guys. Ayun. Ayun yung dagat, oh. Ito yung dagat. Asan ba? Ayun. Yun yung dagat. So, yan. Yan ang itsura. Tequila! It's nice. Let's go to the buffet. Punta tayo sa buffet. So ganito ang ano rito, buffet, guys. Check natin kung anong mga food, ah. Let's check the food. Wow. So here's the food. What's this? Ano to? Frijoles beans. Mexican foods. So, meron din sila rito. Ito, mga sweets. Pastries. Oh, pizza. Of course, this is Mexico. Pizza. What's this? Oh, black rice. Black rice. Video ko muna mga menu. What's that? Fish? Oh, that's good.
Calamari.
Calamari. So, tingnan muna natin. Ito, mga salad. These are salads. Different salads. Noodles. Cheese. Black beans. These are all sweets, pastries, guys,
fruits. Oh, let's go to the meat. Is this the meat section? Oh, no. Oh, burger. Got burger. It's here. I think the meat section is here. Oh. Duck. I think it's good. Duck. That's good. Look.
Spicy margarita. Woohoo! Party time. Here we go, my friends. Margarita on the rocks. Here you are. One more for you, pa. Yes, of course, my friends. Good to see you. Good to see you. Nice to see you.
Nagtip ka ba, Father?
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
Gracias!
Wala ng kapitan.
Margarita.